Welcome to Genius Group Global. The whole edifice of Genius Group Global is built on a philosophy known as the 4 pillars. Let us see what these 4 pillars are and their relevance to the group's thought process. The first pillar is creating employment. Did we apply to God for the parents and this life granted to us? Certainly not. Our birth in this earth was not by our choice, but was a gift from God. A person has responsibilities towards his parents, wife, children, siblings, and other fellow human beings. When thinking about our purpose on earth, the greatest way to serve the society is to provide an excellent opportunity for a job to a person. By providing a person the right job to suit their qualification and experience, we try to uplift and bring out the best in them and teach them how to promote positive thinking, to become a person with global perspective and gradually become a global citizen. By providing a job, we not only help a person but his family and his environment in general as well. Employment also results in the growth of industrial sector, which ultimately increases economic growth of the country. Now, the second pillar is providing education. What education means to us? What is the best gift can one give to a children? Is it clothing, food, car, or any other things that money can buy? There is a limit to the use of these things. The greatest gift one can give to the children is to give quality education. This is one wealth no one can take away from them. This makes the foundation really strong so that they can build their future life structure on the same and face any challenges. By imparting education, we are serving the society, country, and world in general. Ultimate solution to any concern is education. Genius Group Global changes the lives of people by imparting education and providing jobs. We make the earth a better place to live. Now, how are we going to do this? Think about 19th century. That was an era of agriculture. 20th century, it was the manufacturing industry that took predominance. 21st century is the era of information technology. Everyone's life in this earth is touched by information technology in one way or other. Let us take Google. The greatest innovation of 21st century, owned by Larry Page and Sergey Brin, 38 years old. They launched this on September 4th, 1998. Today, they have 32,000 plus employees with a turnover of $37 billion and more. What is a tangible product of Google? Take the case of Facebook, the greatest tool to connect people, owned by Mark Zuckerberg, 27-year-old billionaire, youngest billionaire in the universe at the age of 19. He launched Facebook in February 2004. Today has got 3,000 plus employees. World has got a population of 8 billion. In that, 1 billion internet users are there. Out of that 1 billion, 845 million active users are there in Facebook. Turnover, 3.7 billion. What is a tangible product of Facebook? Let us take YouTube, founded by Shad Hurley, Steve Shen and Javed Karim, 34-year-olds. And Google purchased YouTube for $1.65 billion. It is the greatest deal ever made in online. YouTube launched in 2005, February 14th. Today has got a turnover of $200 million plus. It has got 800 million unique users in a month. What is a tangible product of YouTube? There are no tangible products at these companies sell. All these companies broke age-old concepts existing and went on to prove further that technical advance is the greatest push. Track record or inheritance does not play any role here. Bill Gates says being poor is not your mistake, but to die poor is your mistake. These people succeeded by the strength of the database their organizations collected over a period of time. Can we live without these in today's world? Absolutely no. A teacher with 30 years of experience in teaching is actually 1 year teaching and 29 years of repetition. Across the globe, subject, whether it is physics, chemistry, biology, maths or management, it is the same. Huge money is lost in terms of time and repetitive efforts in teaching the same. Education in the normal format is restricted by time, place and money. This repetition can be easily replicated by digitalizing the lectures and making use of the internet, and can be imparted to any student anywhere in the world. The time the teacher saves can be utilized for further research and development of the subjects, and thereby making rapid advance and save millions in terms of money for the economy. We try to change the concentration and stress from academics to practical applications of the wisdom. Digital learning solutions is something which Genius Group Global is coming up with. It's an ambitious mega project of immense proportion where all the available knowledge in the world on a chosen subject are collated together and churned to avail the cream of it, making it the most precise content ever developed on that subject. This knowledge essence is then to be transferred to digital format of videos, audios and text. The script shall remain the same irrespective of the language except for the transliteration, but the presenter shall be the native of the country or the language of the intended audience. The third pillar is that Genius Group Global wants to become the world's best employer in terms of number of employees and potential earnings by the employees. This can be achieved by inspired leadership, having a unique company culture, focus on a growing talent, strong sense of accountability, and the world's best HR practices. Our projects like Walter Resch are aimed to bring out the best in people and reward them excellently so that the concept of recruitment, selling and retention is made an easy process. Now this leads us to our fourth pillar of creating entrepreneurs instead of employees. We believe that each employee should start thinking like an entrepreneur and work on the same parameters, thereby getting rewarded handsomely with respect to their experience and output like an entrepreneur. By providing opportunities to progress with rigorous training and development programs, we plan to build a stimulating work culture which rewards well. Through this, we fulfill our corporate social responsibilities and ethics. Thank you.